Hi YouTube, Tim Unkert from UnkertEducation.com here. In this video, we're going to install Codelite on a Chromebook. So the first thing we want to do is enable the Linux development environment. So we can go over to the launcher here, and to enable the Linux development environment, we'll find our settings, and on the left-hand side of our settings, we'll go to Advanced. From here, we'll click on Developers, and then Turn On, and then Next, and Install. This will take a few minutes to install, so I'll come on back when it's done. When Linux is installed, a terminal will pop up. I'll maximize the terminal and increase the font size so you can see what I'm going to do next. I want to make sure everything is up to date, so I'm going to type sudo apt-get update and then 2 ampersands, which stands for and then sudo apt-get dist-upgrade with a -y flag at the end. And I'll hit enter. Okay, now that the Linux development environment is enabled, we can install Codelite. To do that, I'm going to type sudo apt install Codelite and hit enter. I'm going to confirm yes for the additional space, and now Codelite is installed. I'm going to click on my launcher and type in Codelite, and I don't see it coming up just yet. Let me check in my Linux apps and scroll down here. And let's click on that. Code blocks, Codelite, there you are. Okay, congratulations, you installed Codelite on your Chromebook. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.